How to fix the issue of note feature not available on Messenger application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of note feature not available on your Messenger account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Play Store and then search for Messenger application. If you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. After that, tap and hold on the Messenger app icon and go to App Info. After that, once you are headed toward the setting, go to Storage and click on Clear Data. Then choose the option of Clear Cache. And that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to bring the note feature on your Messenger account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial.